Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another watercolor review from Amazon here. It does come in this box and it says there's 48 colors. These are the little tubes and they all come packaged like this, and the color names are on the tubes. These are the little 12 milliliters, and like I said, there's a bunch of different trays inside. 48 colors total. It does come with these little brushes on the side. And just a little bit about the company here. This is the Emooqi brand from Amazon. The smooth consistency, easy color mixing, luminous transparency. There was no pigment information, but it does say that great light fastness and available towards students and artists of all different levels. They are safe and easy to use, non-toxic for children, and acid-free. And this time around I did go ahead and I put the black line down the middle to show how transparent or opaque that the paint is. As you can see, these colors are really nice and vibrant. There's maybe like the red and purple here. They're a little bit more on the opaque side. There are some unique colors in this set. It is definitely a bit different than the other set, which is the little pans. But you can see the black is really opaque there. It is a little bit on the warmer side. I used a little bit of water to thin it out, and the same thing with the blues. A little bit of the greens on bottom. One of them was like a little bit more opaque, but overall they are really, really nice. And like I said, there's some unique colors in here. I have, if you want to see the little dollops, swatches over here. And there's a silver and a gold in this set, I believe. And yes, they do have a bit of shimmer to them. So let's see. The silver one was up top here, and then this was like a bluish gray. That was a deeper gray, and then the actual black there. And then the gold was right here, the little bit lighter one. And now in the other set, there are a few more metallics. Right here, I'm going to insert a color chart. This is from the company's website and just a tiny bit information. Okay, and I did switch up the angle a little bit here and cleared some stuff away. I'm going to do a small piece of artwork so you can see these colors in action, and then come back with some final thoughts. And down here towards the bottom, I'm just going to show some of the blending capabilities. So we'll see how well that the colors blend together. So we'll use a few of the blues. For price point, these are $20.99 on Amazon. If I didn't mention that before, I will leave a link down below if you are interested in purchasing these. Overall, I think that these are really nice paints for beginners. Let's see, beginners, hobbyists, young adults, which they are marketed towards. And thank you so much for watching. And a big thank you to Emooqi for reaching out to me and sending me these nice paints to review for you today. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more reviews.